You may have noticed that the URLs for our content are a little nondescript. They all take the format /node/ and then the node ID. There are some good reasons to have a more descriptive URL. One is readability, so if a user sees the URL, they have some idea about what kind of content they'll be taken to if they click it. Another is that when URLs show up in search engine results, the keywords that the user searched for are highlighted in the URL, as well as the content snippet. And also, even though the exact amount of effect that it has is really unknown, having keywords in the URL has some impact in search engine rankings. Now, it's possible to create an alternative URL directly in the edit screen for a node. If we clicked on Edit, we can go to URL path settings and set one here to match up with probably the title. But doing this for all your content is going to be tedious and error-prone. It'll be easier to misspell things, and if a title changes, the likelihood of missing the URL is high. So what we're going to do is use a module called Pathauto, which will generate these URL aliases automatically based on a token pattern that we set up.